So what this means for the future is oil
I
traders...
wasn't looking at the camera. I'm sorry.
I'm on fire, Mike, and you are burning it out. Good morning, everybody. My name is Alex.
And I'm Michael.
And this is the AM Show. Today's date is Wednesday, April 22nd, and let's talk about the market this week.
Alex, we're going to hop right into some of the major indices for this week. The Dow Jones, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, all down a couple percent early in the week still.
Yes, Michael, we've seen some turmoil in the market this week. Markets struggled early. Thought the rally from last week was going to continue. However, they did not, especially with the bad news coming that oil futures started trading negative for the first time ever. We're going to take a deeper look into why and what this means for us in the future.
To understand what oil futures are, I have an excellent quote from Investopedia to help explain. Futures are derivative financial contracts that obligate the parties to transact an asset at a predetermined future date and price.
So essentially, what these future contracts are is a way to develop stability for prices in the future for commodities such as oil.
Yes, and you know, it's funny because there's not even enough space to store this oil right now. That is why they are trading negatively.
Where are we going to put the oil?
It's a great question, Alex.
So essentially, what's going on right now is oil traders are paying buyers to take these oil off their hands because these people, the people that hold the futures contracts, they don't want to take physical delivery of the oil. They don't have anywhere to put tons and tons of barrels of it.
And Alex, one of the main reasons they don't want to take this is because there's not enough space to store this oil. We have nowhere left to go.
And here's why we don't think oil prices will stay this low forever.
Alex, there's a lot of short-term panic right now. With COVID-19 going on, there's not a lot of travel. That is a huge proponent in oil consumption. In the long term, we could see oil prices double from what they are right now. It's an excellent time to consider getting into oil.
And absolutely, Mike, you make a great point here. I think we are still a long ways off from mainstreaming any form of electricity because oil right now is so prominent in so many different industries, such as the shipping industry, such as airlines, such as commuters, like daily traveling. Mm-hmm. And there's probably so much more that I'm missing, but I just know it for a fact that oil and petroleum are used in everyday life, and I do not think we are going to continue to see these lows.
Wrapping up today, Alex, I have a bonus pick for everyone out there. The company by the name of Occidental Petroleum, stock ticker OXY. They closed at $12.30, down a couple percentage points again today. But promising for the future because we have another very famous investor also taking a look and buying shares of Occidental Petroleum, that being Warren Buffett. It's an excellent, excellent time to get in and buy the dip, as some may say. To conclude, we would like to hear what your thoughts are on Occidental Petroleum, stock ticker OXY, and also what are your outlooks on oil.
Thank you, everybody, so much for tuning in on this lovely Wednesday. This was your market recap for the week. Let's hope the markets continue to rally and hope we can see a strong finish into Friday. And we'll be right back Friday night after market close with a brand new episode giving a recap of this week.
Yes, thank you again so much, and we are ready to roll.